Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2023 Ram 1500? Wondering which fuse controls what in your truck? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Underhood Power Distribution Fuse Box. The 2023 Ram 1500 fuse box features a well-organized layout with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. It includes essential fuses and relays for key systems like lighting, power windows, and engine control. Conveniently located under the hood and inside the cabin, it allows for quick access and maintenance. A detailed fuse diagram is provided to assist with troubleshooting and fuse replacement. Internal distribution fuse box. The 2023 Ram 1500 internal distribution fuse box efficiently manages power distribution to vital vehicle components. It houses essential fuses and relays for systems like interior lighting, infotainment, and power seats. Conveniently located inside the cabin, it allows for easy access and maintenance. A detailed fuse diagram is included to assist with troubleshooting and fuse identification.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.